Once again, I welcome you in my next lecture from the chapter Political Science. The name of the chapter is Constitutional Design. We are discussing about the constitutions. We have in the previous lecture we have discussed the definition of constitution and what are the things are included in the constitution according to which a country have to run, a country have to perform their all function. But if we talk about in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the story of South Africa. South Africa is a country which is independent in 1994. ये वो देश है जो सबसे लास्ट में आजाद हुआ है अगर हम सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर की बात करते हैं. सो व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम South African people have faced and what kind of circumstances were there, we are going to discuss here. अगर हम बात करें कि किस तरीके की समस्याएं थी और क्या था तो वन टू वन हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, देयर इज ए प्रॉब्लम इन साउथ अफ्रीका विच इज नोन एज द पॉलिसी ऑफ अपार्थेड. Apartheid means a system in which the peoples are discriminated on the basis of their color. People are discriminated on the basis of their skin color. एक ऐसी व्यवस्था जहां पर ब्लैक्स एंड वाइट्स के आधार पर पीपल्स को डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया जाता हो. एंड दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम इन एंटायर साउथ अफ्रीका. द पीपल हैव टू फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम which is known as apartheid problem, in which the people are discriminated on the basis of their skin color. If we talk about कि क्या क्या चीजें थी and who started this problem in South Africa, we are supposed to just read out to point it out each and every line which is given in your notes जो आपकी स्क्रीन पर मेरे पीछे चल रहा है. Apartheid refer to the racial discrimination. Racial discrimination means the discrimination on the basis of race, the discrimination on the basis of color. Many European and settled South African during 17th and 18th century. Basically, this is the incident of 17th and 18th century when the many European have just faced this problem like discrimination or that the racial discrimination. What the things are given here? These white European began to the country, followed by the policy of apartheid, which native called blacks and the colored people of mixed races were treated as inferior. Those who were European peoples in South Africa, they have started these policies that European people, basically the white people, and they just discriminate the people those color are black. उनको रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के तौर पर उनको रेस के आधार पर उनके साथ भेदभाव किया जाता था. एंड दोज हु वर इंडियन, especially there are so many Indians also, they were treated also under this category. They are treated as a black peoples. So in the 17th and the 18th century there is rule of the European peoples in South Africa, and they have started this problem which is known as racial discrimination, in which the black people are treated as inferior, including Indians. The blacks, colored people could not live in the area inhabited in the whites. They could work in the area only if they had a permit to work in the white areas. There is another situation. As the whole society of the Africa, South Africa was divided into black and white, all the black people were considered, treated as a inferior, and they are not supposed to enter in the area where the white peoples live. Only the people, those who willing to work in the white people's area and have the permission, only they can enter. This is the worst conditions, that we all are same human being and on the basis of skin color we are discriminated. Indians, there are so many Indians, those who are also treated inferior under this category which is established by European people. Swimming pool, libraries, cinema halls, beaches, college were separated. Means if you talk about swimming pool, college, school, college, all these things were separated. If a country, all these things are divided, can you say it is a good country? Can you say this is the safe country? Can you say that this is the respectful country for the peoples? No. If the things are divided on the basis of color, this is very shameful. So swimming pool, beaches, hotel, library, all these things were divided between the whites and black. The colored and the black could not even enter into church. The people, those who are black people, if they have faith in the Christianity, even they don't have the right to enter in the churches also. So the conditions of South Africa in 17th century and in 18th century was very worst. The people, those who have color black, they have to face so many problems. In between the chapter, I would like to tell the one story. One day, Mahatma Gandhi was traveling in the train and the white European people उनको बाहर ट्रेन से बाहर निकाल दिया. Then Mahatma Gandhi replied that कि आपने मुझे ट्रेन से बाहर निकाला है, मैं तुम्हें अपने देश से बाहर निकालूंगा. मैं ये आपको जानबूझ के यहां पर बता रहा हूं बच्चों कि किस तरीके के प्रॉब्लम्स को वहां के ब्लैक पीपल्स ने फेस किया है. सो cinema hall, library, not entered in the church, they are discriminated on the basis of color. There are kind of problem in South Africa in 17th and 18th century, and this is known as the problem of apartheid. Next is the blacks and the Indian began to raise their voice against the system. जब भी किसी सिस्टम की अति होती है, when they are treated not equally, when they are not allowed to enter in the church, when the things are separated, when all the right have been taken away from the black people, so that things cannot be go for the long time. लंबे समय तक ये चीजें नहीं चल सकती हैं. So the people, those who are belong to the black community, especially the Indian also, they have started to raise their voice against this injustice system which is established by the European peoples. The National African Congress, ANF, lead the struggle. जिस तरीके से भारत में अंग्रेज आए, अंग्रेजों का मुकाबला करने के लिए इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस बनी, उसी तरीके से to sort it out the problem of apartheid, there is an organization in South Africa which is known as African National Congress. Those who lead this struggle against the apartheid, they have raised their voice, and the people, those who are raising their voice against this apartheid system, in African National Congress support them. African National Congress ने उनको support किया, and the many white people oppose the policy of apartheid to join the organization. ऐसा नहीं है कि all the European people are in favor of the policy of apartheid. There are some people, those who consider this apartheid policy very wrong, and when the Indians black peoples, when the other African black people started their voice against this apartheid system, and African National Congress ने जब इनको सपोर्ट किया, along with the black people, along with the African National Congress, there were some white people also, those who are in favor that the system of apartheid should not be practiced in South Africa. And the Nelson Mandela lead the struggle non-white against the South African government. Here I would like to give the credit to a very hard and very nice personality that is known as Nelson Mandela. In Nelson Mandela leadership, the peoples of blacks, African peoples and the Indians, those who were earlier discriminated on the basis of skin color, have joined hands under the leadership of Nelson Mandela, and they have raised the voice against the apartheid system. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, किस तरीके से चीजें परिवर्तित हुई, कैसे सिस्टम आगे बढ़ा, इसको थोड़ा सा हम लोग देखते हैं बच्चों. So this is very interesting. South Africa government detained, tortured, killed many, protested, and Nelson Mandela detained, sent to prison for period of 28 years by the government. When so many people have raised their voice, अगेंस्ट दिस अपार्थाइड सिस्टम, चाहे वो इंडियन पीपल्स हो, either they are African black people, they have been caught by the European people, they have to be tortured, they have to be sent in a jail, and those who are people, those who are raising their voice under the leadership of Nelson Mandela, even Nelson Mandela has been caught by the police and sent into jail for 28 years. रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का विरोध करते हुए नेल्सन मंडेला को जेल में डाला गया और 28 वर्षों तक 28 ईयर दे हैव स्पेंट देयर ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ, दे स्पेंड देयर लाइफ इन अ जेल। 28 सालों तक वो जेल में रहे। नेल्सन मंडेला इज कंसीडर्ड अ महात्मा गांधी इन साउथ अफ्रीका। आप उनका कद कम नहीं कर सकते हैं, उनका कद कम नहीं है। एज वी कंसीडर महात्मा गांधी इन इंडिया, द सेम सिचुएशन, सेम पोजिशन of Nelson Mandela in South Africa. In 1994, government realized that it will not possible to rule South Africa, and thus the white government changed the policies. After in 1994, as I told you, that South Africa was the last country, those who got independent in 1994. The South African government have realized that it is not possible to run a country without the black people. So they have decided to change their policies, they have decided to change their mindset towards the black people in 1994. All discriminatory law were replaced and freedom and speech expression and granted to the people. जितने भी discriminatory rules थे, they have been replaced, all the discriminatory rules have been replaced, and the kind of freedom and the independence have been given to the peoples, those who are residing in South Africa. Nelson Mandela was liberated from prison and become the president of South Africa. Again, I am explaining the entire issue. After a long time of struggle, in 1994, South African government have decided that this is not a time to just run a country without the including of the black peoples. If they are the citizen of India, we are supposed to taking care of their interest, their rights. So they have changed their policies. They have removed all the discriminatory policies. They have given all the rights. They have given all the freedoms. They have given all the fundamental rights to the citizen of South Africa. And the Nelson Mandela, जो पिछले 28 years से जेल में था, they has been released and they become the first president of South Africa. So this is the problem of the South Africa, in which the people have faced so many problems of apartheid, and after the long struggle they have got success in their dreams, and the government of South Africa have decided to change their policies. They have removed all the discriminatory elements, discriminatory policies, and all kind of freedoms have been given to the peoples of South Africa. So this is the topic which we have explained today. In the next topic, again we will start the next segment related to this chapter, constitutional design. So thank you very much. All the best.